Day one, mission, coffee.
He said, well, we came this morning. I said, well, we missed
All right, well, it's a little windy, but now that these guys have got their coffee, we're gonna take and head to Daytona. What?
It's headphone time.
Headphone time.
Headphone time.
Yeah, let me go ahead and set up a camera on a helmet, and I think this guy's gonna have one too.
Not yet.
No?
I only got so many batteries.
So many batteries?
Charge.
I got batteries.
We'll see.
Got a Street Glide. This bike has the Geezer Glide has an absolute crap load of miles on it. We're not sure how it still functions, but it does.
Runs great.
Runs great. Runs great. Yeah. Runs great. And this one, Street Bop. The fairing and some bags and some soft blowers. It's really not a bad little bike. So, yeah, give me a minute. Yeah. All right, so we're all suited up over here.
I'm ready.
On the sport. What is this thing? Street Bob, right?
Oh, I got the camera. Yeah, Street Bob.
Yeah, that's Brandon, little midget man.
My mini touring bike.
You got Justin here on the thing that we're still the Geezer Glide that we're still not sure how it runs.
That's 90,000 mile Geezer Glide.
Yeah, buddy. Joey. On the bike that you can't get this color anymore, so you know when his saddlebag here falls off, it just has to be, you know, a little battle scar,
Now it's unique. Now it's unique. That's right. One of
it's
one.
Unique.
101.
1 of 1. All right. Here we go. We'll put this thing on right here. So where we going, guys? We're going to Speedway first.
Sure, let's go.
Right on. Let's haul ass. Hey.
I hear
Hey.
you. I hear you. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Taking off because, you know, I ride from Kentucky to Florida, and I don't stay in Daytona because, well, to be honest, it's cheaper to stay down here.
Way cheaper.
Way cheaper. And we got about, what, 100 miles or so, 90 miles to get up there?
I think it's like 85, 87.
Yes, sir.
Hour and a half.
So, should be a fun little ride up there. Beautiful day, beautiful weather, 63 degrees. These guys are going to freeze their nuts off, but, you know, it'll be all right.
I got a jacket.
I'll be just fine. What'd you get over for?
Come on. Say hi. Hi.
Hi!
Mostly because I want to see Brandon's light in the sunlight because I haven't actually paid attention to it yet. Oh, that don't look bad at all.
No? Does it look like it matches? Do I need a paint job?
You know the answer to that is yes.
Sweet from you. Overdrive.
Warp speed, engage. So how's the ride going down the interstate, Justin?
Oh my god, so much better.
Less deadly feeling?
Oh my god, yes.
You had to pray a little less?
Praying not at all anymore. I mean, it felt like the bike was going to shake itself apart before. It's pretty bad.
It's amazing what a new tire and some good bearings will do.
Yeah?
Not just any bearing. Horse bearing.
Expensive bearings.
They were very expensive. didn't have a lot of choice in that matter.
Yeah, don't go to Space Coast Harley.
Yeah. For the record, if you're ever in the Melbourne, Palm Bay, Space Coast area, don't go to Space Coast Harley.
Anywhere else.
Any other dealership so far is okay from what I've seen, but every time I've been in that one, it has been pretty awful. Which is funny because 2 of the bikes in this group have been bought from that dealership.
It is true. It is true.
As I've said to these guys, my main complaint with that dealership is they are the pushiest sales department I've ever seen.
Oh yeah. You walk in, I just bought a new bike. Want to buy another one?
They literally did that to me. I'm like, I have, short of getting a CVO, one of the highest and most expensive bikes you guys sell.
Yeah, they did that to me too.
Yeah.
I walked in to pick up a part for my bike, and they're like, you know, you wouldn't need a part with a new bike. And I'm like, yes I do.
Didn't your bike have like 100 miles on it?
No, not the Sportster.
I'm saying,
Again.
when you went in to pick up a part for the Street Bob there,
Oh, yeah, I had 100 miles on it, yeah.
and they're like, you wouldn't need a bike if you had or you wouldn't need a part if you had a new one.
Yeah. I was like, bitch, I was here yesterday.
I just bought it.
You don't remember me?
I rang the bell and everything.
Yeah, did that. For the gong. Was it a bell or a gong? I don't remember.
I
I think it's a gong.
Bowling Greens is a gong. There's a bell. You ring the bell. I think Four Rivers out in Paducah, Kentucky has a gong. Big old boom.
Big old gong. Big old goddamn honking dong, man. You know what I'm saying? They got ding it.
Ah. And speaking of French,
Speaking Boomhauer,
Boomhauer, man.
that's a good cousin. Hey Dylan, did your bike come with the little brush guards or hand guards, what do you want to call them?
These?
Yeah.
I bought them on Amazon. They're like 18 bucks. They're wonderful too. I highly recommend them.
They're steel, Joey. They're steel? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I might get those.
Like,
yeah, I liked them. I thought they were nice.
and they definitely help to
Yeah.
push the wind up over your hand. You still get wind on your hand, but not as much as without them.
Yeah, because mine are way up above the bearing anyway.
Yeah, they would definitely benefit you. And for, you know, 10 or 12 bucks or 15 bucks, whatever it was less than 20 bucks. I would definitely recommend them.
Alright.
Yeah, I did that. I put the lowers. I've got a lower triple tree air deflector down here that helps to push some of the wind that would come up between my tank and my gauges. It pushes that wind down towards the motor. That makes a little difference in the buffeting.
Yeah, I don't have much problem with air anywhere else.
And then I put these the mid frames air deflectors on down here by my leg.
But it's so cold, you gotta use the engine heat.
Trust me, I have a stock head pipe. I get plenty of engine heat. That catalytic converter on this thing gets hot.
Oh, it actually had...
Yes. Alright, well, we made it to the Speedway.
Yeah. That was a little windy, but it's not bad.
Denim blue? Denim blue, oh yeah. There's so many mics.
Look at that, it's a car
look
bike.
at that thing. What is that? That's... That is a very, very wide body stripe. That's cool. Guy was in a wheelchair, riding a bike. Don't let it stop you. So we made it to Iron Horse.
Yeehaw.
And now we got to get some steak tips.
It's line wait time.
What?
It's line wait time.
Line wait. Yeah, it's time to wait in a long line. All the line goes all the way back around.
I feel like we're at some sort of crazy theme park that's so big you have to drive around, because all we've done today, for the most part, is sit in lines and then ride rides. Woohoo!
But did you have to pay to get in a theme park?
That's yet to be seen.
Yeah, you know, he might get an insurance claim off of this.
Yeah, then I had to pay.
We haven't seen Joey here today. Okay. So we're gonna get steak tips and eat, and then...
I see Frank Fanhot over there.
Yeah, they got everything. We like spicy, huh? Alright, so there you go.
I knew she looked.
That's pretty good.
Steak tips, yeah.
Pretty good. I would recommend.
Hell yeah.
Water.
Steak tips good? Alright. So, now we hang out, maybe watch some music, something like that for a little bit, and then we ride back in the cold, 80 miles. Oh well.
far is 95?
Quickest way to 95 for you is to go up one to Ormond Beach, about another 10 minutes. So, yep, there we go. Big old party. We'll see y'all in a bit.